Most affiliate marketers are failing, so here is an affiliate marketing funnel that can help you to produce reliable, predictable, and consistent passive income for years to come. And stay until the end if you want to see how my student Charles made over $50,000. He said goodbye to his alarm clock and he fired his boss. And there's a link to that blueprint in the description. Okay, so this affiliate marketing funnel is the missing link between traffic and conversions. So this is going to help you to convert cold traffic into revenue. Now, to make this work, you only need two web pages. They are a landing page and a bridge page. So I'm going to show you the core elements of each of those pages. I'm also going to show you the 4 emails that you need to send. I'll give you the structure for each of them so you know exactly what you need to do. Now, you can build this entire system with just WordPress or any other CMS or even static HTML pages. So you don't need to invest in any fancy funnel builders or any expensive software or any of that stuff. But you do need an email service provider. So for this, I recommend you go with Aweber because that welcomes affiliate marketers and you can use it for free up until the first 500 subscribers. And that's probably more than enough than you need to get up and running and making some passive income. Now, let's take a look at the funnel. So it's made up of 4 components. We have traffic sources, pages you own, pages the vendor owns, and then an email sequence. So to make this work, all you need is a landing page, a bridge page, an educational email, a benefits email, a call to action email, and a bonus email. I'll get into each of these elements in more detail. So the traffic sources will usually be ads, but we can use content as well. So if you want free traffic, I recommend creating content on your website and other people's website to drive traffic to a landing page. Now, speaking about traffic, if you want to uncover some of my best secret traffic methods, head over to profitgopilot.com/traffic and get that free training. So we drive traffic from ads, from content to a landing page, which is a page that you own. And on this landing page, we need a few key elements. So we need a headline, something that's going to immediately grab attention. Then we need a convincer. So this is some kind of proof to support the headline, to prove that you are the real deal. Then we need the opt-in forms. So that's going to be typically a name field and an email field. And then we have the call to action, which is usually in the form of a button. So they opt in to your email list, and immediately after subscribing, they land on a bridge page. Now this sits between your landing page and the affiliate offer, because if we have a look over here, we have pages that the vendor owns. We don't have any control over these. So the bridge page links to that offer. Now the elements of a bridge page are of course a headline again. So we promise some benefits in the headline. We call out their problem, why they're here in the first place. We remind them of their problem and why they need to solve it. Then we talk about the solution, so the steps involved in solving that problem, which leads into the product that you're promoting and how that can benefit them and how that can help deliver the transformation that they seek. Then we have social proof. Again, this is a clincher, so it could be in the form of a testimonial, It could be in the form of a story, a case study, something that's going to prove that this is for real. Then we have a call to action, which is going to be a link to the affiliate offer. And we need to give them a really strong reason to click that link. So we inject some urgency in the page because this offer is not going to be around forever. I mean, really, it could be taken away at any moment. The vendor could have a countdown timer running, or they just might not want to deal with it anymore. They might have had enough of selling this product and it could vanish by the end of the day. You don't know. So we have urgency. We give them a really good reason to click that link now. So this path from traffic to landing page to bridge page to the sales process, well, that's the ideal path that you want your visitors to take. But most people will not go through this process. So they might click through from the bridge page to the sales offer, and then they might not purchase. Or they might click off the bridge page and just go straight to the email. So you need an automated email sequence to do the selling for you. Now, while we're talking about emails, if you want the secret tactic that's guaranteed to boost profit by 182% with every email you send, head over to profitcopilot.com/masterclass and steal my most profitable email frameworks, templates, and swipes that you cannot get anywhere else. The first email that they receive from you should be educational. It should deliver enormous amounts of value, help them to solve their problem, or at least part of it, and then not ask them to do anything else, and certainly not ask them to make a purchase. Let me show you the core elements of this email. The educational email needs a subject line, of course. It will typically be a how-to subject line. So you could say, how to achieve massive benefit in a time frame. That's an effective headline. Then we call out the problem. Again, we remind them why they subscribed in the first place, what they want to solve. Then we tell them the benefits of solving that problem. So we focus on the big outcomes. At this stage, we're not really talking about any products. We're not talking about the features of any product or anything like that. We're just talking about the benefits of solving the problem and how good life can be. Then we give them a tutorial. So we give them the action steps that they need to take to solve part of their problem. So think about the 3 big steps that someone needs to take. And then we have a little teaser for the next email because we want them to be engaged with our email sequence. So we tell them what to expect next. After that email has been sent, we wait 1 day. We give them a chance to receive it and open it and digest the information. And then we send them a second email. And this is going to state the benefits of solving the problem. So the core elements of a benefits email are obviously, again, the subject line. So this time we would look at the ultimate goals and how good that is. So this is a very positive email. And again, we address the problem. We remind them why they are here. We always have to remind them of why they're receiving these emails, remind them of the problem and the pain that that causes. Then we talk about the benefits of solving that problem. So we talk about why they need to solve it. And then we go even deeper into the benefits and focus on the transformation, the life-changing impact of solving this problem. And then we introduce the product. Say, well, this is the product that's going to help you to get it. Then we have a call to action in the form of an affiliate link. And then we tease tomorrow's email. So after we've sent that email, again, we wait 1 day and then we send another email. So on day 3, we send this call to action email. Let me talk you through the components of that, because with the call to action email, again, we need a subject line, but this time we're going to introduce urgency. Urgency is a very powerful motivator. So we can say something like time running out. So they have to take action fast. And again, we introduce the problem. We always remind them of why they're there, why they're receiving these emails. Then we talk about the benefits of solving that problem. And then we introduce the product fairly early on, and we really play on the benefits. We talk about this dynamic between problem and benefits. We flick between both because we are obviously trying to help people and prevent them from going down an avenue that is bad for them. So at this stage, when we've spoken about the problem and the benefits, we introduce the product, and then we have an affiliate link to that sales page, and then we inject urgency. So we remind them that time is running out. They don't have long left if they want to get in on this deal. And then we tease tomorrow's email. So after that email has been sent, we wait 1 day again, and then we send them another email, which is going to be a bonus email. So this time we again use urgency in the subject line. So last time we said time is running out. Now we say something like, last chance. So they really do have to take action right now if they want the deal. And then again, we acknowledge the problem, and then we introduce your special bonuses. Now, these are going to be exclusive for people who signed up through your affiliate link. So all they have to do is just email you with some proof, some receipt that they made a purchase through your affiliate link. You should be able to see the commissions on your end as well. You can verify that they have actually used your link. And then you can send them a series of special bonuses exclusive for the people who signed up through your link. And here you will talk about those bonuses. You'll talk about the benefits of the bonuses, the big transformation, the impact it has on their life. And then you introduce the product that you are promoting. So you have the affiliate link. And because time is running out, we introduce urgency again. We say, if you want this, you really do have to act now. This is your last chance. This is your final warning. Otherwise, what can happen if you don't take action? This is where we focus on the what if. Think about the absolute worst case scenarios. If they don't fix the problem, if they ignore it, how bad can it get? Where can it go? Use real life examples if you can. I mean, I know a guy who got into a serious amount of debt. He ignored it. He had bailiffs knocking on the door. His wife found out what was going on about all this debt. Their marriage broke down. Now he sees his kids at weekends and his life is in a completely different place. But he could have prevented all that. So I want you to think about the what if, where can this problem really take them and the long-lasting detrimental impact of not fixing it. And we lay it on because we want people to take action. We want people to solve their problems. We want people to improve their lives. And sometimes they really need that kick to do it. Fear is a motivator. So tap into it, use it so people can benefit from it. And if you want email templates, if you want done for you stories and scripts that you can just take and use and email straight away, head over to profitcopilot.com/masterclass. I'm going to let you enroll on my email marketing masterclass, and you're going to be able to effectively steal my best performing email sequences. So this funnel really is just the beginning. Now, if you want to take the next step and see how my student Charles made over $50,000, quit his job and fired his boss all within his first 180 days as an affiliate marketer, go to profitcopilot.com/180, and there's also a link to that in the description. Okay, if you found today's tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel to hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.